see. See how this down wick looks. No bottom wick. Let's see if I can get a retest of this area. I might try it. But if it just flips now, I want to see a retest. But it's definitely close to re-breaking the daily high. On a little more this early into the session, but it's not bad though to take a buy. But I just hate to buy at the top, knowing you this close to the resistance. It'd be nice to close back under this, honestly. It's looking like it's gonna do what it wants to do. If it just keeps going, then it is what it is. See, look at that quick break. Come down. In a perfect world, I'd like this to come straight down for the open and take advantage of this wick fill and beyond. I don't want to enter on the break of the daily highs a lot of times. I would rather use this as an advantage point. But let's see. So, daily time frame yesterday closed bullish. Not very bullish, but bullish nonetheless. Right at a resistance area right now. But as we start getting like up into here and breaking these highs, man, we may be on the move. We'll just have to see. There's a lot of range up. A lot of range up. And being that we're at a daily resistance right here, I wouldn't mind selling out of here. No lie. So if this 30-minute can start re-breaking its own low, closing back under this, that would be great. And now that we have a resistance where it came up close to, might as well just move everything on up a little bit. So got this resistance right here that is near, and I would say I'm comfortable taking sales back under here, like a fake out closure above, closure back below, taking it down to, let's say, this support right here. Long targets down into here. But we'll see. Like I said, I don't always love the break of the daily highs. Sometimes it's cool, but it'll be quick. Like this is only given 18, 17 with spreads if you didn't get slipped real fast. So I'm good on those positions right now. With how price is looking and printing, I slick would rather get out of these highs than trying to keep chasing up. I don't want to buy at the top of the day usually. But I'm open to both ideas. We just right at this resistance on the daily. But as we start breaking up in here and here, getting above these, I'll more so like it. And it's a little ways away, about 70, 80 pips. So I'm willing to sit that out and wait till we get above there rather than trying to catch it on the way up with so much shit in the way. Like imagine when we get above this. That's much better than trying to squeeze. The break of this high earlier wasn't bad. But see, same shit. Just broke this high, gave you about 21, 22, fell out for 100. Then it's finally making its way back up. So it's just, do you want to play that game? Or would you rather just wait? So at this point, y'all know the drill. Just waiting. Waiting on closures. With the 15, I'm gonna go to the 15 just because that's what time frame I'm waiting on next. But you see how this respected this same resistance to the left right here. So it's obviously a strong resistance that we're holding up at. And I'll see if I want to squeeze this 40 in here, but I really prefer something about here at this point, or just to keep coming down. Just fall out. I'm not really worried about this 15-minute support because that's just the 30-minute opening and the 1 hour opening. So not really worried about that. I just like to see a closure back below here. We'll see. This wouldn't have been as bad if I got a retest of this. But we done too much already. That 5 minute made a down wick. Flip back up. We moving. Let's see how we can close. Right up into a 1 hour resistance, man. It's hard to squeeze into there now. If this 5 minute breaks this high, it should just come on up and fill this out. There's only another 17, 18 on a re-break of the daily high. You just got a 1 hour resistance literally right there. The only thing that makes it a little tough. All right. Broke it again. Let's see if it's going to continue. There it goes. Yep. Let's tap right into there. So the break of the daily right here. It played around a little bit, but it gave what was needed. So came up for 15, came down for -20, then finished it on out for 48 right until this 1 hour resistance. Definitely a good day for volume, I see. So that was good. Strong rejection out there. Look at that shit. Someone said, "Are you gonna sell?" We'll see. We will definitely see. Exactly, Roger. And those on YouTube, definitely give me a like and subscribe. If you're looking to trade on Top One Futures, which is this platform, you can use Trading Homes at checkout, and it'll give you the same discount that they offer on their website. So you might as well fuck with your boy. Appreciate y'all tapping in. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Every time we respect at this level, Brandon, that's what I be talking about though. How you can have that sell stop or whatever sell limit right here, stop loss above here, and rock out. Would have seen 70 by now. But on the off chance that bitch just flies, you just sitting looking stuck. But that's what you got to stop loss for. We can close back under here at 9. I'll take this smooth down. Got going, chat. See what we got going. 10 minutes before I do anything, most likely. I do want to get back below here, looking to come like into here, but you do have a support right there. So it just depends on if you're worried about that or if you expect volume to take you on through there. So just gotta see. Am I surprised that we're rejecting right now, reaching a daily 4 hour, 1 hour resistance? Appreciate y'all on the YouTube tapping in. Appreciate the likes. I said I'm at 429 subscribers. Somebody just throw that little subscription for $4. Why not? Hanging out. Gonna see if we can get this per dia count to 3,000 today. I get it to 3,000. That will be the payout. Per dia been good money. Like a little 3,222 from them earlier. Let's see. Gotta have the right setup though. Right now we just been chilling. These highs of the day. It's at perfectly. This resistance right here. What is it? Bad. 30. How much I need? 394. Need about 30 to 35 pips on 14 micro. That's too much. Good morning, Lysandra. Thank you for always tuning in. We just tapped this perfectly. Damn, this 1 5-minute candle came up 50 almost off of its resistance or support. It's crazy. A lot of volume right now. Much rather it gets back under these highs. He closes just like this. You slick and like catch this up, but it's just so little. Really, I'm not trying to force no little shit with it already rejected once. It closed like closer down here, maybe with 2 bullish candles. It took the break of those highs, filling the wick on the 1 hour, maybe. But I damn sure wouldn't get in up here with a 25 pip target. Like, nah. If they can close like down here, create a nice bottom wick filling the 1 hour, I would think about that for sure. Would definitely think about that. Roger, I'm shaking my head like the Kanye meme. I don't know what you need. I don't know what you need, brother. We'll see. We'll see what we can do. I want to get out of these highs, bro. I really do. I really do. Brandon, I'm just trying to run up a band. What about you? I need one of them plays where it shoot up 80 in a minute like you was talking about last week. Please. Please, please, please. I'm trying to see it. Damn. Come on, 15 minute. Pull back. Tap perfectly right here. Tap perfectly up here. It just sitting in the middle of this. Just hanging out. Hanging out. Hanging out. Hanging out. Three minutes for this hour closure. Damn, what we want to do? What we want to do? Looking at the 5-minute price action, it's coming up. Perfect rejection right off of this area. Held it. But I still need a closure above here, though. It just closes slightly under it. I'm still not doing anything. The way it just rejected like that all the way down to here, I'm not playing that game. One minute for the 1 hour closure. Okay, 5 minutes. All right. It's definitely rejecting out of that resistance a lot. So I definitely wouldn't take no buy with the candle closing like this on 50. 30-minute closing doji, 15-minute closing doji, 1 hour closing rejecting. Yeah, nah. But for all them super scalpers out there, break it is low. Should come down. For sure. Using that 5-minute price action, Brandon. You want to really scroll in. We've been seeing it. Been seeing it. No top or no bottom with Antonio. There it goes. There it goes. Like clockwork. just dumb fast, and like you just don't know how far it's gonna pull down. Like I just gave a quick like 20, but then it's gonna flip back up. And did you take profit at 20? Was that 10 seconds? Like it's just so much bullshit that always you gotta consider. And you still technically bullish right now. Like this could be just a down wick to continue up. But like I said, the price action of a flip after no bottom wick for scalpers. Let's wait on a let's just wait on a candle. Yeah, like 16, 17, 18 depending on the spread, and it happened so fast you probably would hit break even unless you were just holding that shit. But we know how that goes. I was looking at the break of its own low, so like 42.64.8 down here was like 21-ish for the spread, so probably like 18 or 19. Like I said, it's definitely for a move for a scalper though, because all you would have used was this high, say 17. So it was a 1-to-1. It was definitely a 1-to-1 for sure. But I want a closure under here now. Whoever's not subscribed on YouTube, throw a subscribe for me. Give me to 430. Sitting at 429. Come here every day, trying to be as consistent as possible. Someone said, which lot size do you use? I use a 10 MGC, which will be the same as a 1 GC. So 30 pip drawdown, $300. 30 pip profit, $300, and so on. But keep the phone refreshing. Somebody got to do it. Somebody got to do it. We got 11 people on the stream. Unless all 11 are subscribed, show your boy some love. And like I've been saying, if you use Top 1 Futures, definitely use code Trading Homes at checkout. They're doing 57.5% off right now. Crazy. And I'm in the US. All right. Hit the bottom wick. Essentially couldn't come up. Email that said they 57.5% off sale ends on Sunday. We gonna see. United States. I'm gonna probably try StreamYard next week. I can only get 10 people in the stream at once though. So whoever can make it can make it. It is what it is. I want to definitely display like my stuff at the bottom, shit like that, my overlays. Just see how it goes. It's definitely looking like if we get above here, maybe 9:15, but if not 9:30. Then if it comes to 9:30 and starts breaking these highs, I would consider it. But I don't even love that. I really want to sell. I really do. We ain't done shit. We just keep on bouncing. See. See what wants to do. No top wick on this 5 minute. Getting close to breaking this high. Damn, I don't want to buy into this shit, man. I really don't. I got a feeling I'm about to start falling again if it breaks its own low right here. With no top wick on the 5. How much it comes down, I don't know. but I'm gonna need 930 to kick in before I'm jumping the gun on this shit. Minutes. So ass, man. Literally. I mean, it should feel this quick. Bruh. I want to say 2 days ago, I definitely tried my hand right here and cut it down here somewhere on the break of this daily high. I'm really not trying to take these lots. I really am not trying to, man. There it goes. It just broke again. Man, listen up. I know this is about to sell. It's just how you get in it. If it respects this again, I might have to wait on 930 though. Get like maybe it continue up and then close back below here. 930 wicks up, breaks a weak bear bullish low or something. But this is just crazy. We're right at the resistance. Ain't do shit. Since I got on today, price broke this high, came right up into here, came right down to this support, came right up into here. So we just been playing within this 80 pip range. We ain't really done nothing. Days, 17 hours, 2 days. Yeah. 20 seconds. What you doing, Brandon? What you doing, man? What you doing? Like there ain't nothing to do, brother. We just closing right at resistance. On me. Chilling out. Not doing a bitch ass thing. Oh my god. 5 minute close bearish. Same idea down here. It probably is gonna come down for a little bit, but the ultimate direction until we have a candle that closes against us or against it is bullish. So we close right under this resistance right here. So this shit can just fall the hell out. Or it can make a slight top bottom wick and rush up. There goes that 5 minute coming down a little bit. It's likely gonna be 930. I'm telling you, man, playing that support and resistance game might be a winner today. Even if you were just scalping off of it, like getting down to here still 25. saw about 17 to draw down. You see about 25, 30 right now, profit. That's just not my back tested data as of yet. I think once we create a resistance, I think we should start coming down, especially with 930 volumes. They break this low, we should come all the way down into there. So y'all know the drill. Those on YouTube, you can hang out. Those in the chat, y'all can hang out. Most likely, not doing it until 9:30. I'll be back. It'd be annoying because if I take one trade today, only one group of my accounts took a trade. I've made 3 groups now. Okay, the S&P just open. We just the investment we're doing today. We gotta be up already on Monday. Yes, sir. Already up for the day. My investment. S&P ended yesterday on some nut shit. But yeah, I'll be back in the next like 7-8 minutes. I just be tired of sitting here, for real. So y'all rock out, do what y'all gotta do. We'll see what 8:30 or 9:30 has. Hopefully we can come up, make a top week a little bit, come back down, break this low at 9:30, leaving some range down, come down into here, or it can fill the hell out, close under here. But I'm not even really worried about this at 9:30. I think that once this 1 hour starts making a low and shit, we should come down here, down here. So we'll just have to see. But for now, hang out. So I'm gonna leave the music running. We accidentally forget. I'm gonna leave it running. So I'll be right back. Depending on how this 30-minute opens, not bad. Because like this is arbitrary. Like I just had this identified as a resistance level. But if you just took this off, like maybe that's an area that you can look at as like I keep my eye open around in. But man, this shit at 9:30 should come down because you look at it like this. You really should come all the way down to here, and then the 4 hours still open. We'll see. But I don't want people to be scared by my little line. This 15's acting up, ain't it? No top wick. I need to chill out a little. Start from the top. Start from the top. Put my My phone on D&D. Trying to text me. Let's see how this opens. Because if it opens straight up, I would definitely try to enter on the break of like the current candle low. But if it opens like down and then comes up, then you gotta like your entry gets lower. So we'll see. I like it. I like it. Especially how we're rejecting out of them highs. That's why you don't enter up here. Damn, I wish I could play that resistance game, man. What happened every fucking time you rejected out of here? You came down hella far. So, let's see. Leave a wick now. Oof. Rejected it, but I think at 930 volume, it shouldn't be an issue. I need a top wick. All right, I'm gonna set a sell stop on the break of that low 4260.4.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
To take me down. Drag this up now. Probably keep it above the range. Right at this support, right resistance right here. You gotta be mindful of it. So let's see what we can do. Ooh, 4260.4. I might cut some if I re-break this high up here. We'll see. We'll see. But I need to keep on re-breaking this low. Anticipating 930 volume to be able to push it through it. But if it does re-break the high, we'll see. Let's see, that's a 27 pip stop for the first stop. So I will go ahead and set like a 5 pip, not 5 pip, but 5 market buy on the break of that high there. Just in case, to protect the upside. But I'm gonna keep the position open overall, just in case it wants to create a higher top wick. Ain't gonna just sit in it, but I'm gonna keep it open and see if we want to make a bigger top wick or not. Come on, calm down. Seemed like not much so far, like 8, 9, 10.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
All right, so I just cut half my position. If it re-breaks a low, I'll add that half back. But I just want to see how this 15 overall closes, or 5 even. So I just got to protect myself on the downside of the trade. It could be perfectly making a rejection off of this resistance. Just anticipate 930 to push through it. Like I said, I'll add my position back if necessary. Let's see. I'll re-enter if it breaks the low again. Yeah, okay. Coming back down. Come on. Push through there. had to come and grab my little entry real quick. No big deal. All right, back near profits. Let's see. I always want to protect the downside of the trades. Just can re-break its low. That'd be great. I ain't seen too much drawdown. It was just like 30, 35, whatever. Come on now. Yeah, cut my first position at 27. 30-minute price action. 30-minute price action. Down about 8 pips, 9 pips. 20 seconds for a 5-minute closure. I said cut something at 27. I got my stop up here for now above the 15-minute. For now, obviously, I'm not looking to take that big of a loss. Price will probably give me a chance to get out before then. You got all right, new 5-minute candle just open.
Stop filled.
Ooh. Okay, I just added again. Oh, damn. That thing was quick. All right, now. That no top was on that 5-minute. All right. Still in, though. Still in. Damn, I got slipped so bad over here. 42.58.6. 42.58.5. Damn. If I get back above there. Just the only thing I can do is just hold this line. Right here. Let's see. I can't believe that thing shot down like that. And then maybe I can believe it because it didn't have a top wick. But the same way it's shooting up, it's the same way it could be shooting down. So just putting your trust in the highest time frames. Down about from this re-entry now, like 25. So let's see. Okay, coming down again. Come on now. A lot of volume. Would love to see the volume on my side. Hopefully we're just making higher top wicks to come down. 5-minute candle is close to flipping bearish again. Hopefully they grab some orders up here to come down. But if it like re-breaks this high again, I don't know. Which is 34 pips up. So hopefully we're done playing around up there. Come on now. Come on down. Damn, I got slipped so bad over here. I hate that shit, man. All good. Hate getting slipped, y'all. I need this 5 minute to go ahead and do what it's supposed to do. Come on, 5. Got slipped so bad. I'm playing catch up a little bit. But I ain't gonna let that be the all of my discernment. Down like really will like this 5 minutes to close. Bearish. The way it's looking. Come on now. Seconds for this 5 minute closure. Hopefully this just falls out. We're respecting this high. I'm really not trying to see this have to come up and make a better high than this. There's a new 30 minute. Okay, that's good. But it just shot up like that with no bottom wick. Hopefully this bottom wick is the one that comes on down. Come on now. Come on down. Come on down. Come on, 5 minutes. Because then this 15 minute close is bearish in 4 minutes. So if I can get a 15 minute bearish closure, that would be great. But if I get a bullish closure, I might cut that chat. If I get a bullish closure and it like starts breaking this high on the bullish closure, I'm probably gonna just cut it. That's what it was. Rather than making it a big chance of a big losing trade. Because the real stop is all the way up here, and that's just why I can't sit in that. I got it for up here right now just in case I want to do some nut shit, but I'm not even trying to take that big of a loss. That's a big ass loss. It's a big ass loss. I just regathered. I was thinking 930 was gonna do what it needed to do by now. This candle to close down here, man. It's respecting this. I need that 930 to come on with it. Because even if I cut it, I wouldn't be surprised if it respected this resistance right here and flip back down. I just can't sit in it, man. That's the only thing. The only thing. Come on, 5 minutes. Don't do me dirty like this. Just for my account sake, I might have to, yeah.
Order filled.
Order
filled. Let me see. I'm looking like, man. Yeah, see, I had to cut that. Dun, dun, dun. It's all good. Everything's only 3 in my accounts. Damn, the S&P 500 took off right with this account. All right with this shit. It's all good. Just thought that. How many did I see from my original entry? 4260.4, 4260.4. It seemed like 20 from my original entry, but that's it. So. On to another set of accounts. Damn. That's so ass. Get my stop a little tighter. It definitely could just respect this now. But let's see. Like I said, I entered right here and it gave 20 from there, but it just didn't want to have that follow through to come on down to where I expected it to. So what's my next best set? 9-2 or 9-3? Like 9-3. Let's see, 9:30. 15-minute candle's about to close. Still respecting up here. Brandon, what you looking at, bruh? You looking at the daily? Man, it's getting up to somewhere so nasty though. That's the only thing. That's the only thing, bro. He said, I'm gonna say, already got it. Yeah, man. I might try it. 70.5. Let's see. 70.5. We're right at these damn stupid ass 70.5. All right, I'm gonna go to GC just because I'm gonna take it all for sure. It's a lot of mess. No real rhyme or reason behind the daily high. ever. You see 30, 40, 50? Take your money. That's all I can recommend. Because you coming into a lot of rejections over here. But it's a wicks to fill. 30 pips away. And then if it breaks that high, it should come up into like 74, 75 pretty well. So let's see. 74, 75. We'll do like a 40-ish pip stop if that's the low. Not bad. So I'm on GC now. That's when my chart just kind of went away. That's why. Still ain't technically broke above this resistance. The real analysis would definitely be to wait on a closure above. But we're gonna see, Brandon. We're gonna see. We gotta wait 10 seconds to close out. 75 should get tapped. All right, getting close. So, break of the daily high with about a 50 pip stop loss. Try my best not to take the full damn stop. We'll see. A lot of rejections over here. A lot of rejections over here. So if it starts playing around, use your discernment.
Order
right,
stop
filled. All right, let's make sure our 10 seconds hits. All right. Oh, there it goes. Oh no, it just did that bullshit. The jumps, man. It's the jumps. It just jumped on us, Brandon. Man, how many was that? 31. It gave it quick, man. I'm telling you, it'll do it to you. But I'm still in. Brandon, you still holding? What you doing? Hopefully we got some actual room to go. Yeah, I'm still in it. Just is what it is, really. Let's see if we can finish it out. I have a stop buy or limit at 42.75. I think that it's got some room to go, and especially if we can break its own high again. If we break its own high again, it should give a quick jolt up. It doesn't want to break its high again. Did it exhaust out? Come on now. As long as we can maintain staying above this stuff, we're good. Damn. I hate when it doesn't finish, man. Just playing around for now. I'll make sure to keep my eye on the prize. 42 cents. All right, we getting close again. We getting close again. Hopefully it can break that high again, man. That's what I want to see. Come on, break that high again. Break that high again and give that push. It's close. It's 13 pips away from breaking its own high. And if I break the high again, I might cut it. I've seen about 20-ish. But on the break of the daily high, I want more than that. That's it. Seen about 31 so far. Damn it. 30. Yeah, 31 was correct. I believe it was. All right, we're getting close again. We're in a 5-minute candle. It's about to close in 4 seconds. 8 seconds. All right, 8 seconds. My clock is ahead. Be quick. This shit should shoot the TP. I got 42.75. Come on.
Order filled.
Bet. Let's go. Bet. Get that shit right back. Get that shit right back, bruh. It is what it is. Bang. That was 48 pips for me. 48. 42.75. Yep, 48 on both. Let's go. Took a big loss on my other account. But took a nice win over here. So as long as you, hey man, as long as you winning. As long as you winning. Okay, Joseph. Okay. Yep. So if there was a better way to manage over here, whatever. But hey man, as long as you sticking to your plan, knowing what's going on, it is what it is. I'm negative 341 on the day because I took a bigger loss, and it mostly was because my re-entry. So I cut half, re-entered on the re-break, then it gave me a little bit of profit. Then price goes. Price just does what price wants to do. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Y'all can throw a like, throw a subscribe. You know, little one in one day. Little one in one day. Great exit. 42.75.3 on the dot. 42.75.3. Great exit. Yup. I took way too big of a loss on my other accounts. I'm annoyed by that. I shouldn't have. It's okay though. Can't cry over spilled milk. You cannot cry over spilled milk in this game. That's why I diversified my accounts, because I mean, at the end of the day, I took a loss on some, took a win on some. Now I got some accounts that ain't been touched yet. So lesson learned. Gotta keep on keeping on. But like I said, that was just a break of the daily high. Brandon, it actually felt so good letting that trade run and just saying like, bruh, fuck it. fuck it. It is what it is. So I feel like Jamal in the set, man. Holding for that 40. Holding for that 48. Ooh. Holding for that 48 on that 12 lot. 12 MGC, that is. And like I said, there's some accounts that haven't been touched yet. I gotta be a little mindful of them accounts that took a loss today. Just a little mindful just because of the drawdown. A little tighter now. Okay. That's the thing about playing with them 50Ks. Yeah, that target's only 3,000, but take a loss over a band if you want to. You start looking at that drawdown, you like, I only got $8, $9 more $100 to lose. So that accounts will definitely be seeing 10 micros instead of 14, 15. But you only 2-3 wins away from getting it back right. So it ain't really no big of a deal, especially when you can hold for 480 like that. So I'm still peaking. I have some accounts that have not been touched yet today. My group 2 hasn't been touched yet today. So I'm gonna see if I can get anything going with them. it make it feel so much better when you're able to diversify because, like I said, I lost on one set, I won on one set, and it's like I feel like I made progress. Honestly, like that's really what it comes down to. You just try to make progress towards the payout on something. And yeah, Lysandra, I will be going live next week. I will be going live next week. So, like I said, unfortunately, this trade didn't play out. I thought that 930 volume would push through here quite easily, honestly. Like, I'm not really worried about this, but it held it. It held this resistance. So, just wasn't on my side in this instance. But break of the daily high, shot up for a quick 31, came down, back to break even, hovered a little bit, shot up for my 48, and kept my stop below the entry candle, which was right here. So it was about exactly a 1-to-1. Exactly a 1-to-1. So this high, this low, targeting this mess that you have to the left. So good volume, good volume. But yep, I definitely will be on next week. Definitely will be on next week. Next move. Would obviously be a closure above the most recent resistance, which is right here. Yeah, holding is definitely the play. Just got to know when to take that money that's on the table. When I get to a resistance, I'm taking most of my position. Joseph does. He cuts 80% most of the time. I try my best to cut 80% most of the time as well. 80, 90%. But it's just annoying when you see that shit run back to break even. But on the chance that it doesn't and keeps going. Good. Good. So that was a good exit, like I said. Negative 37 pips. Yeah, from that side. Yeah. Yup. Honestly, with as great of a week as this has been, kind of is what it is. Yeah, exactly. Like, I mean, you see a 30-minute candle formulating a resistance up here. You don't expect this. You expect it to fill all the way down into here. Quite honestly, 930 volume time in YSE. But so yeah, I took a bigger loss, like I said, than I would have liked to on that one. But you live and you learn. You live and you learn. It's all about just coming back for tomorrow. Coming back for tomorrow. One hour resistance is like I said right here. It ain't even about to close above that. Oop, never mind. I might eat my words. I don't like how jumpy this is right now, though. Oh, we got news. We got news in a minute. Oh. News at 10. Got news at 10. Getting a little jumpy already. Okay. Brandon, but if this news shoots down and breaks the daily high, oh man, damn, I was very close to my payout on the Cardia account, but especially with the way we've been running as of late. I got it. I'm ready. Don't you worry. How many is this? Ooh, that's already 45 into the air. Oh, come on, man. Come on. You got so much bullshit over here. I would really, really, really like the closure above this, but I don't think we're getting that. So, damn, it felt good hitting for that 48 on a bounce back. I said I can do a little minus 300. It's the minus 8s and 9s and I'm banned where you like, come on, bruh. $30 seconds. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. 18 seconds, 15. Damn, this is getting far away from this high. Let's see what it does though. Ooh. I want to sell so bad. I want to sell so bad. This was no bottom weight. I'm gonna do. I don't want to get caught in these whipsaws, especially on news breaks. Your ass out. Let news do what it do. Brandon, are you trying your hand again? Man, I don't like pressing my luck 2 times. That is completely a lucky play to take. And the 4-hour candle just, come on, freeze on. Anyway, when the 4-hour candle just closed under resistance, but once it breaks this wick, these wicks, oh my God, it should go up. Damn. I need my devil on the shoulder. Do I just try my hand at it again? Because, YOLO. With all this volume, if it breaks this high again on a news break, on a news release, 63. 42.77 even. It might sell though. If it gets like too ridiculous, I'll probably delete it. I'm just looking at how we close respecting every time frame. There we go. So we closed respecting every time frame, and the 5-minute made a top wick, broke this 5-minute low. So that's the only thing I'm looking at. But ultimately, this is just a down wick for the 4-hour. Even though this 4-hour is respecting right here. Damn, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. Just off of this nice action right here. How big of a bottom wick is this? 94-bit bottom wick, bro. I'm gonna have a stop profit of, not stop profit, but I'm gonna just take my full position most likely at 4281.2 or 3. I'm anticipating volume if it were to get me in to be the driving catalyst for this. because it did close above the most recent, but not above this one. It's so funny, Brandon, because it really ain't even no point of using no damn sell limit or take profit, because you gotta wait 10 seconds anyway. So you don't even want it to hit your shit in the first 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds. So you just gotta hold it regardless. I'd be thinking about putting a little buy limit right there just in case it shoots up real quick. But for what? Like, if it shoots up in, I remember I made that $880 in 1 second last month sometime. Man, they denied that payout so fast. Damn. You gotta stay away from the big loss. Took way too big of a loss. I'll probably sit this one out, or it's just gone up too much, which will close under first sale. Yeah, it still might close under first sale. Say if 15-minute closes back under here, take it down to here. It has gone up way too much, but when you look at it, it done broke this high. Nothing in the way now. Damn, bro. I'm annoyed I took that first sale. And then it's most annoying because I cut it managing risk well and then added again and I took the loss again. So, but once again, can't cry over spilled milk. Can't cry over spilled milk. It is what it is. So what time is it? 10:06. Came right into this little area right here, man. Damn, and I sure was looking at it. I said, I want to sell, but I saw it was jumping. I said, nah. How much of a stop was? That was a 27 on that top with a 50, 45, 50 on the break of the day. Get a 15-minute closure back under. Should be good. So it looks like this is getting a little far for me right now, because not only, like I always be saying, it got to get me in, but it also has to run after. You're expecting that bitch to run 140, 150 too. So I'm gonna delete this for now. Delete for now. I may even go eat real quick, just so I can be back by around 10:50. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set an alert on my phone if it gets like to 42.70, 374. I might come back. If it breaks the 15-minute low, it also lets me know. Alright, set an alert. And if I gotta randomly come back upstairs, I will. This shit falling out the sky. You held this sale from earlier. You close. Alright, I'll be back. Here, I'm gonna put it all my positions. I'll be back. All right. Brandon, give me some feedback on it. So, we know that the 1 hour and the 30-minute candles are both open. You have a resistance right here on the 30-minute time frame. We see that this 5-minute candle is potentially coming up. I wonder if you entered on the break of this high, is that going to continue this candle up to continue, which it wants to do on the 1 hour. It's not even respecting on the 15 exactly. So if it respects on the 15, yes, this 15 is going to close bearish, but this 5-minute is closing above where it's respecting on the 15. The 30 minutes still open. The 1 hour still open. The 4 hour just made a bottom wick to potentially continue up. I'm wondering if this could be coming up into this resistance and up into this resistance. That's what I'm wondering. It now depends on how this 15-minute opens. Now, if this 15-minute opens straight up and takes away the range, then but if this can come down first, that might not be so bad. That's what you thinking, Jamal? With all these time frames being bullish? We'll see. Let's see how this candle opens. All right, so I want this candle to come down first. If it just comes straight, ooh, there it goes. Is that enough though? You have no stop loss now. Not no stop loss, but you can use way down here if you want to. I'd like a little bit more if possible. I think the idea is good. I just want a little bit better of a downwind first. Then if it can retest like here at least, like touch something. Right here. Right here. Close. Should be enough. Should. Okay. I'm gonna set the buy stop on the break of that 5-minute high since it respected it once. 42.71 area. 42.71. This is an idea. Worst I got? Take a loss. It is what it is. You can either use the current low, which is 27, or you can use the previous 5 low. It's a lot you can do. I know there's a resistance right there on the 15, but I'm looking at the higher time frames. And if I saw like 30, 35, I would think that should be good because I'm just looking to come into this resistance that it rejected out of already once. So let's see. And it tapped my area perfectly. So we'll see.
Order filled.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Didn't get me all the
Stop
way in
filled.
All right, there we go. All right, 30 minutes still open. And if it doesn't want to play out, then it is what it is. Come on. Push up. Jumpy. So like I said, the 1 hour is open. If we can get this 1 hour to reflip up here, that would be amazing. That happens pretty soon. It was based off of the 5-minute, but the entry was based off the 5-minute, but the position was based off like the 1 hour and the 30. So it did just flip. All right, up about 15. Seen about 15 so far. You got 2 minutes left in this 5-minute candle. Not holding for too long, just considering we're coming right into a resistance area. Come on, finish it out. Up about 20, 18, 20 again. Damn, I really want to let this do what it do. Finish it out. Finish it out. We're right in this little resistance area right here, which is making me like a little ugh. But man, 20 ain't enough. Not in this position. This 5 minutes looking pretty good. Come on. Seen about 20 so far. I'm still in it. Still holding it. Come on. Push up. Push up. Push up. We got 1 minute in this 5-minute candle. I'm trying to be out for the end of this 5-minute candle if possible. It's getting held up for some reason. I'm not seeing why it's getting held up, but it is. I got the 5-minute candles open right now. But I'm trying to do my best to more so put my faith and trust into that higher time frame, like the 30, the 1 hour. If it could keep re-breaking its high. Just hoping that this new 5-minute candle don't have to do too much on the way down. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. You can never be mad taking profit, but I mean, damn, we hardly seen 20 pips. Come on. Push up. I want 15 more-ish. I ain't stupid, though. Depending on how this candle opens or closes, I'm gonna make make my decision. 5 seconds for this 5 minutes to close. So we leaving a little top wick. If it goes up real fast, you kind of got to take what? Here we go. Great. Come on. Boom.
Order filled.
Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Another good trade. Let's go. All right, y'all. That's my day. That's my day. That's my day. That's my day. Finished up $4. Finished up $4. Good trade. Y'all see my food in the back. Y'all see my food in the back. I'm over here multitasking. Got my little waffle over here, my little bacon. But no, that was another good trade though. That was another good trade. So, yeah, man, $4.92. What can I say? I held that full position for $350. Held that last position for $480. Took way too big of a loss, and I can admit that on my first trade, but was able to bounce back. That idea was really fucking good, y'all. Really good. If it breaks this eye, I'm sitting it out. I'm not playing this game no more. Yes, sir. Good job, Joseph. Good job, Jamal. Brandon, I know you took it. Roger, I hope you took it. That looks way better. That's better than just this. I'd rather get in on this and this than just up here after it's already done all this, if that makes sense. So wick is being filled on the 1 hour time frame. I took my money at where I felt comfortable, 42.4, 42.5. Just broke the high again. Yeah, man. Good fucking trading today. Good trading today. All right, y'all. Good ass week. Hope we learned a lot today. Roger said he off. He out of here. So cool. But all right, Jamal, appreciate it. Thank you. That was a great analysis. That was real good analysis, actually. Broke that down. It just made sense. It definitely made sense. So we'll be back on it. Would have loved to avoid that first L, but happens, man. It happens. So see y'all next week. Thank y'all. Thank you, Lysandra. I'm telling you, she did good luck, y'all. Appreciate it. Y'all be easy.